Hey guys, I'm Theo Joe, and you know what? I've heard too many people talking about how PC is better than Mac, and I'm here today to tell you that that's wrong. I've never owned a PC, I never will, because there's literally no reason to own a PC. Macs are better in every single way, and that's exactly what this video is going to be all about. If you use a PC, you're wrong, and I'm going to explain why you should only ever use a Mac. First of all, Macs don't get viruses. Everybody knows that. How many virus scanners do you see on PCs? There's hundreds of them, but how many on Mac? Zero. I wonder why that is. Because Macs don't get viruses. I've never bothered with an antivirus, and I don't remember getting any viruses, so I'm pretty sure it's completely unnecessary, and you don't even have to worry about anything on a Mac. It all fixes itself. On PCs, so many viruses, so many errors, all that stuff. You know, you don't have to even worry about that on Mac, so that's one reason right there why you would never want to use a PC. Next, Macs are just easier to use. On PCs, everything's so complicated, so hard to figure out, but on Mac, it's made easy for you. Everything's laid out right in front of you. You don't even have to worry about trying to figure anything out, because usually it just works right in the first place anyway. And I mean, look at the mouse. There's only one button. How much simpler can you get? You look at PC, you have to left click, right click, maybe even middle click. What a pain to learn. So complicated. You know, I'm just not even gonna deal with all that. Just get a Mac, so much easier. Also, Macs are just lighter. I mean, you look at the MacBook Air, it basically weighs nothing. Then you compare it to a PC laptop, it's basically like a boat anchor. I don't know why you would want to use that. Macs are more powerful and way less. There's literally no reason to ever get a PC laptop. It's just stupid. Next, Macs also just look cooler. I mean, you look at the cool white design, so simplistic, so premium looking. And not to mention that you only need a couple of cables. You look at any PC, they're bulky, they're ugly, you know, they have terrible color schemes, and there's wires hanging out the back. I mean, that just goes to show that there's no design going into it at all. And next, you look at the Apple Store, you walk in, it's like the future. Everything's futuristically designed. Everyone knows what they're talking about. All the geniuses, they're real geniuses they hire to help you out. I mean, what else could you want? The Macs are just so much better designed and so much cooler, even from the store to when you're using it. It's just an overall better experience. And it's not just that you look cool walking around with a Mac, which everybody knows, but Macs are faster as well. I mean, just look at the Thunderbolt connector. You get 20 gigabits per second. That's so fast, it's faster than any other connector. I mean, you look at the PC Blue connector, and that's only up to 5 gigabits per second. That should tell you enough right there that the Mac is faster in every way. I mean, 20 is obviously higher than 5. Why would you ever go with a PC? I've used my Macs for years, and every time I get one, they never have any lag or errors popping up like on PCs. Everything just works with higher performance and speed. One of the biggest reasons is also that you never have to upgrade a Mac. I mean, you look at PCs, people are always talking about, oh, I gotta upgrade my RAM, or I gotta get more RAM or faster RAM on my PC, but why don't you ever see people saying that about Macs? You don't need to upgrade, they're already always the best. I mean, when you get a PC, you have to go and upgrade it later anyway. You're paying way more for lower power in the first place when you can just get a Mac, and it's way more powerful even after you upgrade a PC, so it's so much better. There's no reason to get a PC if you want any performance at all. Finally, this one's obvious, but the Mac was invented by Steve Jobs, which automatically makes it great. I mean, he was a true visionary, and everything he created was amazing, and the Mac is no exception. You look at the iPhone, completely revolutionary. The watch, completely revolutionary. The Mac, it's just so much better. It blows everything out of the water, and you're selling yourself short if you get anything less than Mac quality invented and created by Steve Jobs. So I hope I was able to talk some people out of buying a PC, because buying a Mac is really the only way to go. So why don't you guys let me know in the comment section what you think, and if I helped you out, if you were too close to the edge of buying a PC but I saved you. I love to hear those kind of stories. Also, if you want to give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoyed it and are great Mac fans, that would be great. If you want to continue watching some other videos, I've got those on the right hand side. You can either click them or look in the description for the same link, like if you're on a phone. And if you want to subscribe, I make new videos 3 times a week, so it definitely should be worth it. I'm looking forward to hearing from you guys either in the comment section or on Twitter. So thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Have a good one.